Manhattan real estate lawyer. New York City's real estate market, particularly in Manhattan, is as dynamic as it is prestigious. The towering skyscrapers and historic brownstones tell a story of a city that is constantly evolving, yet consistently remains one of the most sought-after real estate markets in the world. However, the allure of Manhattan's real estate comes with its own set of challenges. The market's volatility and the complexity of property laws in New York make navigating any real estate transaction a significant endeavor. For buyers, sellers, and investors alike, understanding the nuances of these transactions is crucial to ensure that their investments are sound and their interests are protected. Why you need an attorney for your Manhattan home purchase. Manhattan is one of the most vibrant, iconic areas of the entire world. You may have considered purchasing a home here to set down roots in your favorite place. Maybe you already own a home and are considering upgrading. No matter what your situation, real estate in Manhattan can be volatile. Protect yourself during any Manhattan real estate transaction with an attorney from Avenue Law Firm. Buying a home in Manhattan. If you are looking to purchase a home in Manhattan, there are many opportunities for sellers, real estate agents, and brokers to take advantage of your position. There is a considerable amount of money involved in purchasing a property here, and navigating contracts and negotiations in a way that benefits you and protects your investment is incredibly difficult. If you want to participate in a sale that is advantageous to you as a buyer, hire an attorney from Avenue Law Firm. We are able to draft contracts and riders that create unique benefits for buyers. Your contract can even protect you from losing your deposit or falling victim to a scam. Selling a home in Manhattan. Selling a Manhattan property is a big decision. Many properties in the area have sentimental value, and in some cases, they have been in a family for generations. No matter the situation, it is important to remember that there are rules and guidelines to sell many styles of Manhattan homes. Furthermore, there are significant expenses associated with selling a property. To protect yourself and your ROI, ensure that your legal papers are created by an attorney at Avenue Law Firm. Condos and co-ops in Manhattan. Buying or selling a condo or co-op in Manhattan can be especially complicated. These types of homes often come with a lot of red tape and criteria for new residents. This means that there may be significant delays in your home sale or purchase while the association reviews paperwork and determines eligibility. What's more, condominiums and co-ops often try to hold their residents accountable for pieces of the property that they should not be responsible for or that the association should look after. Before you buy or sell a Manhattan condo or co-op shares, it is vital to have your attorney review the appropriate paperwork. Houses in Manhattan. Though they are not the primary type of home in the borough, Manhattan does include some freestanding houses that are possible to purchase. These properties are unique for the area, so it is important to understand the risks if you are considering one for your next investment. Unlike townhomes, condos, and co-ops, the owner is entirely responsible for the property and grounds of a house. This means significantly higher taxes, maintenance costs, and upkeep. However, it can be incredibly rewarding to own or manage a freestanding property in the world's most desirable neighborhood. Manhattan mortgages. Various complex legal issues can arise involving a large loan, such as the mortgage on a home. Defaults and foreclosures can have a serious impact on someone's life or financial situation, so it's crucial to handle any related legal proceedings with the care and seriousness they warrant. Manhattan real estate litigation. Not every aspect of real estate law is a simple matter of buying and selling houses. The property market is complex and competitive, especially in a high-end metro market, and things often get messy. In these stressful situations, it's crucial to have high-quality legal representation that can seek justice and protect you, your investment, your business, or your home. The unfortunate reality is that some Manhattan real estate transactions will end up in court. Homeowners, landlords, tenants, and developers are just some of the people who regularly find themselves heading to court over real estate deals gone wrong. Though no one ever wants this to happen, there are many things that can go awry during the process and can only be solved through litigation. It is best to hire a real estate attorney before this happens. If you're planning any moves in the real estate market, it's crucial to work with a professional, capable legal team from day one. How much does a real estate lawyer cost in NYC? New York City can be a notoriously expensive place to live and do business. So, it's no surprise that the price of high-quality legal services for the real estate market in New York City can reflect the elevated costs. For a typical real estate transaction, A New York City attorney's closing fees will start around $2,000 but can be up to $5,000. Expect to pay even more than that for a complex or lengthy case that requires going to court. What you pay for your real estate lawyer in New York will have a lot to do with what part of the city you're doing business in and what you're buying, selling, or trying to accomplish. You often pay a little more for experience and reputation, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. However, trying to cut corners on legal fees when it comes to something as expensive and multifaceted as a real estate transaction in New York City can end in disastrous consequences for your business plans or your family's living situation. Real estate investors understand risk-benefit analysis, and taking on the market without a legal team you can trust is never a wise risk. Retaining quality legal counsel is a serious investment, much like the act of buying property itself. At Avenue Law Firm, we can represent clients who know what they want and do anything to get it. With our entirely digitized system, we can maximize your valuable time and help ensure that you do not have to lift a finger when it comes to the legalities of your real estate transaction. Our high-end, comprehensive legal services can provide our clients with peace of mind, something that every Manhattan resident could use more of. For more information or to set up a consultation, contact us today at 212-729-4090.